Birds flying high, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Hello, hello, hello. I'm Marquita Waters, and I've been singing and coaching singers for decades. And because of all the ups and downs I've experienced in this long career, I'm dedicated to helping even more singers eliminate straining in their voice and their personal achievements. I'm here to help you. Now, do you believe in yourself? Do you believe in your talent? I believe in myself. I believe in my talent, and this propels me to keep going. You may have noticed, I'm not a spring chicken, but I have energy and enthusiasm when I sing and I teach. This is what you need. And what's my secret? There are many aspects to it, but let's talk about optimism and mindset. There was a boy, John O'Leary. When he was 9, he played with matches, and he burned himself over 100% of his body. He lost his fingers and said he didn't want to live. He could have wasted away in depression and self-pity, but his parents gave him tough love. He had to decide to have a mindset that would keep him fighting through pain and suffering. He learned to believe and fight his way through to a successful business and personal life. If you want to sing great, have a career, and a fulfilled life, you will need to believe in yourself. Why? Because this journey can be hard. There are many ups and downs, but it is just so good. John mentioned 2 things that will help us to succeed. First, move forward with a childlike enthusiasm. When I sang for you, birds flying high, you know how I feel, you could sense that I'm in it totally. When you record, audition, do a show, or whenever you sing, give it your all. Be absorbed in the meaning of the song. People will notice. Second, don't hide from difficulties. You may be afraid of failing to get a part, failing to get a recording contract, or singing badly. You may be afraid of bombing in an audition or stepping on stage. You may be afraid to the point of not even trying. It's what you keep saying to yourself that is sabotaging you. Your mindset is working against you, and you will procrastinate, or even worse, you may stop singing. Believing in yourself and your talents means working at eliminating a negative mindset and replacing it with a positive one. It means you must be brave and fight through to action. This is what I want you to do, okay? Take a negative thought that you realize you have about your voice or your career and write yourself a positive statement that helps you believe in yourself. An example is, I don't like my sound. Change that to, I'm working on my sound, and it will keep improving. Better. Now, be brave. Put this statement in the comments below. I want you to repeat this statement every day for a week, okay? Every day. Now, I heard John O'Leary on Ed Milet's show. And if you want to hear any more about John O'Leary or Ed Milet, it's in the link. It's a link into the description, okay? If you want to know more about me, go to marquitawaters.com, and actually very soon, I'm going to have a new website, and I will have exercises for you to purchase and a new course coming up. One thing you don't have to wait for, though, is my membership for women. It's called Singing for a Lifetime, where we do vocal workouts every week. So check it out. Oh, you can also get my book on Amazon. It's about my life, stories about the business, and the second part is all about the voice. Okay, well, remember, you've got to subscribe, ring that bell, and always, always check out what you're saying to yourself in your mind. Remember, it is always going to make the difference. Your mindset is so important. So, change the negative statement, make it into a positive statement. Do it every day, okay? Repeat the positive statement for yourself every day. It will make a difference. You start changing, you start becoming that statement. Okay, well, I've gone on long enough. Guess what? It is such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day. Yeah, yeah. Woo! Okay. Bye.